Sudarlun sebanyak 25 dari 27 madrasah di Nagan Raya sudah menerapkan ujian semester berbasis online menggunakan perangkat komputer dan Android. Seperti amatan Serambi TV, Selasa 3 Desember 2019 di Madrasah Sanawiyah 1 Jeram, pelaksanaan ujian tersebut berjalan lancar. Data yang diperoleh dari Kemenak Nagan Raya, hanya ada 2 sekolah yang belum menerapkan ujian berbasis online karena belum terjangkau jaringan internet. Ujian berbasis online itu berlangsung sejak 2 hingga 13 Desember 2019. Dari Sukamakmur, Rizwan, Serambi On TV.
I first laid my eyes on Atif Alawan after the long journey from my native Australia. Simu Island is an extraordinary opportunity for tourism and a perfect destination for a getaway. Where the beautiful beaches meet the still untouched mountains and jungle. What a fantastic place to enrich your taste buds in the local culinary delights. The local culture of the people is always welcoming towards visitors. From all walks of life. That's why I chose to stay and make this island my second home. I finally realised why this island has been nicknamed Atif Alawan. Meaning heart of gold in the local dialect, it really leaves its visitors with this indescribable feeling. You're always welcome in Simu.